My name is Marcia Fryer. I work for Hamilton County Health Department and I am part of the dental sealant program. Some of you guys may recognize me. I'm one of the ladies that goes into the schools. Today I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about your dental health. Things have changed drastically in the last few months. So our dental sealant has been postponed for a little while, but I still wanted to reach out to you guys and let you know I still think about you guys, and also just wanted to talk to you a little bit about, like I say, taking care of your teeth, protecting our teeth and our gums, and trying to keep from getting cavities. So I thought we would bring my friends here. This is Sammy, this is Cleopatra, and they just wanted to kind of demonstrate how to brush and take care of your teeth. So we're going to start with Sammy. This is Sammy's smile. As you can see, he's taking very good care of his teeth. So he's going to let me brush his teeth for you today. What you're going to do, you want to get a good toothbrush. It needs to be a soft toothbrush with soft nylon bristles. You're going to put a pea-size amount of toothpaste. It doesn't take much toothpaste, but just a pea-size amount. Make sure it has fluoride in the toothpaste, and we're going to put that toothbrush up against Sammy's gums. Let me see if I can pull his lip back just a little bit. And we're going to press those bristles at a 45-degree angle and do little small circles, and then sweep down. Move the toothbrush a little farther. Press those bristles up against the gum and sweep down all the way around. Then once we finish that, we're going to go to the inside, little small circles. And then when you get to the front, you almost have to bump yourself. If you're doing the lower, you have to almost bump yourself in the nose. But you want to make sure to get those bristles down at the gum line. You see, when we have germs on our teeth, they start right at this gum line, and they grow down under the gum, and they grow between the teeth, and they grow on the teeth. So it's very important to brush those germs off of those teeth and up at the gum line. Another thing, you know, I forgot, Sammy hasn't got a tongue, but you got to always remember to brush your tongue because a lot of germs are on those tongues. Now the next thing is dental floss. Dental floss is a very important part of our dental hygiene. We're going to pull out about that much, wrap it around our middle fingers, and then we have these two fingers to work with. Now, Cleopatra, can you open for me just a little bit? Let's show people how to floss. We're going to go in between the tooth, slide it up under that gum, rub the tooth, and while you're in there, go ahead and do this side. Then move to the next space. Brush that tooth. Now that is how we clean our teeth. Now some other things I want to talk to you about is how we keep from getting cavities. Like I said, we need to keep our teeth clean. We need to make sure we're brushing all those germs off the teeth, because you know what? Have you ever seen that yellow sticky stuff that grows on your teeth? That's called dental plaque, and it's full of germs. If you were to take some of that and put it on a microscope, you would see all these little bugs crawling around on your teeth. That's germs, and that's what's in dental plaque. And guess what happens when you eat something with sugar in it? That sugar mixes with those germs. Those two things turn to acid, and what happens when you drop acid on something? It'll burn a hole right through it. Well, that's what a cavity is. That is where the acid has burned a hole in your tooth. So the main thing I want you guys to realize is you've got to keep those teeth clean. So let's just review what we talked about a few minutes ago, the importance of brushing and taking care of your teeth. I want you to remember to brush at least twice a day, in the morning and before you go to bed at night. Make sure when you brush your teeth, you brush for at least 2 minutes. That's the perfect time, 2 to 3 minutes, but 2 minutes each time you brush. Make sure that you change your toothbrush at least every 3 months because they do wear out. And if you get sick, it's a good idea to get a new toothbrush also. Make sure you floss 1 time a day. Make sure you're eating a healthy diet. Stay away from a lot of sugars. And I believe if you do all these things and see your dentist twice a year, I think you're going to keep that healthy smile.